What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So it's bad of the cameras between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, in this video, I'm going to do a comparison in low light between both of these devices so we can see how have Samsung gotten better over one course of a year between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10. So we're going to do a low light photography and video comparison here with both of these devices so y'all can see and be the judge for yourself how good the Galaxy Note 10 is over the Galaxy Note 9. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Let's have some fun with low light video. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is. I got the Galaxy Note 10 and a Galaxy Note 9 low light here. And the reason why I wanted to do low light is because if you want to know how good or how bad the camera is, you have to do it in low light. So let's go and take a look at this. Let's look at the sky. As you can see the sky, which device give you the deeper blacks? Right here. And which device focus better? And which device give you the more clarity? And one of the questions you guys may ask is, can you change from a wide angle lens to telephoto lens and ultra wide angle lens? Now, as you know that the Galaxy Note 9 only have two lenses, so you're gonna get telephoto and wide angle. So let's go to switch to the telephoto lens so y'all guys can see that. Look at the which sign, and I got the Galaxy Note 9, boom, Galaxy Note 10. So yes, you can switch while filming to telephoto and wide angle lens and ultra wide angle lens on all devices. Let's go to the wide angle lens as I'm shooting here. And on the Galaxy Note 10, since it has the ultra wide angle lens, you can do that while shooting. So this is the ultra wide angle lens on the Galaxy Note 10 versus the Galaxy Note 9. So the Galaxy Note 9 does not have ultra wide angle lens. All right, so let's go to the walk and let y'all guys see the stabilization on both devices. There it is. All right, so let's turn here. All right, as you can see. Now let's go to this fire hydrant here for a second. Which device looks the best, give you better quality here? From my advantage point, I'm looking at the Galaxy Note 9 and it's very saturated. But you be the judge for yourself for looking at that. You know, is the Galaxy Note 10 a worthy upgrade from the Galaxy Note 9? You be the judge for yourself. Now look at that, beautiful. All right, so let's get a close-up shot while we out here at night and see if the devices can decipher the difference between something close and something far, and to see if we're gonna have any focus hunting. Let's see how the device does. We get real close up, see if the device will focus better. Now look at the Galaxy Note 9 as we get kind of close here. See, it really can't focus in on that plant, but the Galaxy Note 10 is doing a very good job on that plant. Now look at that. Seeing it focus hunting on there, get real deep there. As you can see, the Galaxy Note 10 is doing a very good job when it comes down to focusing. Let's get out here. And again, this is very important. This is why I do these type of videos so y'all guys can see. Is the worthy upgrade or is the newer device better? So look at that. Again, the Galaxy Note 9 is having a hard time trying to figure out what's the focus on, and the Galaxy Note 10 is doing a fantastic job. Look at that. Boom. Let's try that again. Again, as you can see, the Galaxy Note 9 is having a little issues with focusing. But a lot of y'all guys might say, well, I don't go that deep onto an object and that doesn't affect me. But I wanted to show you guys this really quick. The comparison video between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10. And look at the background there. As you can see, the back, you be the judge for yourself for looking at both of these videos. And man, both of them look good to me. Now, I mean, my vantage point, I really can't cipher the difference, which one is better. But you be the judge for yourself. Look at that, as I turn, as you can see that light. Look at that light hit my head there. And which one give you the better clarity. And I wipe the camera lens on both devices, so you be the judge for yourself. Now, one of the things that I do like is that now the Galaxy Note 10 camera is dead center. So that's what I'm getting, a dead center camera here, versus on the Galaxy Note 9, it's a little off-centered. But I mean, you be the judge for yourself. There it is. This is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy Note 10. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. And I got a lot of coverage to come with the Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy Note 10. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Look at that.